This audio is generated by voice booking. In this video you will learn 5 easy ways to finish a research thesis quickly. Welcome to Murad Learners Academy, the places where people come to learn. If you are new in this channel, then subscribe and press on the bell button. 5 easy ways to finish research thesis quickly. 1. Set a deadline. Establish a realistic deadline for completing your thesis and work backward to create a schedule of tasks that need to be completed. 2. Prioritize tasks. Break your thesis into smaller, manageable tasks and prioritize them based on their importance and deadline. 3. Write consistently. Set aside a regular time each day or week to work on your thesis. Even if it's only 30 minutes a day, it will help you make steady progress. 4. Eliminate distractions. Find a quiet, distraction-free workspace and minimize interruptions. Turn off your phone and social media notifications, and avoid multitasking. 5. Seek help. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Reach your supervisor, peers, or a writing coach for guidance and feedback. They can provide valuable insights and help you stay on track. So that's it for today's lecture. If you have learned something new, then do subscribe to our channel and press the bell button like this video, and don't forget to share it with others so others can learn from it.